I've discovered a new makeup brand specifically designed for us mature over 50 ladies. If you're curious to see which brand it is, let's get into the video. Hi everyone. So I am super excited to do this video today. I had a company reach out to me by the name of Prime Prometics, and they are specifically designed products that are for us over 50 ladies. When I was doing a little bit of research about the company, I always do a little bit of research before I accept any offers from companies. And when I saw that these products are specifically designed for mature skin, I was all over that. It sounded fantastic of some of these products. So they were generous enough to send me 4 of they're called Trinity wands. So there's these products here, and I'm going to use all 4 of these. They all are designed for something different on the skin. They also sent me 3 of their mascaras. I'm only going to use one of the colors. They sent a black, a blue, and a brown. I'm going to use the brown today just because I don't particularly like having a bunch of mascaras open. So I just want to open one right now. And then they recently launched eyeliners, and the same thing, they have 3 shades, so blue, black, and brown. So I'm going to try and use a combination of these on my eyes today. A little bit about the brand. They are a family-run company. They are a clean beauty product brand, and they are also cruelty-free. So I know I have a bunch of viewers out there that really like that. So the first product we're going to start with is their PrimeWand Nourish. First of all, the packaging is just beautiful. So it is like a wand. That's what it looks like. So this is supposed to be like a moisturizing type of product. And you can use this everywhere. You can use it on your face, your neck, your elbows, your knees, your thighs, your legs, like everywhere. You can pretty much use this everywhere. I'm going to use this on my face, and then I'm going to use it kind of like a primer. And I love how it's the convenience. You can just throw this in your purse and take it with you. So it just basically it just said to kind of put it on your face and then rub it in. So that's what we're going to do. It has a really nice feel to it. This does have like 3% hyaluronic acid in it, but it feels very moisturizing on the skin, very nice. It's supposed to get rid of like rough patches on your face, dryness on your face, and it claims that it rebuilds your moisture barrier on your skin, but this feels really, really nice. So I'm just going to let that kind of sit there before I go in with the next product. I really like that nourishing stick because it's not leaving like a waxy feel at all. It's just quite lovely on the skin, and like that would be perfect as like a makeup base. So that's why I'm glad I used that first. So next we're going to go in. This is the PrimeWand. This is the Nude. Now, I think I know a bunch of people out there will like this because this is one of those multitasking products. You can use this on your lips. You can use it as a blush. You can use it as a tint. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it all over my face and use it like kind of as a tint type product. It is sheer and buildable. So I'm just going to put it kind of along here, and I'm just going to blend this in with my brush. Oh, that's really nice. I love how it's blending in. But can you guys see it does give me a little bit of color? Just kind of evening like a bunch of my skin out. Oh, that's really lovely. It says you can use this in place of like a foundation, like if you like one of those really sheer type of products. But look at how easy this blends in. Oh my goodness, you guys, that's awesome. I'm using a brush, but you can just use your fingers if you want. That PrimeWand Nude shade really did a nice job. I love how luminous my skin still looks. And quickly off camera, I just did put some concealer on, and I put a little bit of eyeshadow on because I don't have like a concealer and eyeshadow, so I just did those off camera. I will have everything linked and listed down below for you guys, and everything, the website and all that sort of stuff. Just as I totally forgot until I was off camera for a second, they also were generous enough to give my viewers 10% off, so I will have that linked down below as well in the description box that you can receive 10% off your purchase. So I'm really excited to try out these eyeliners. So they have them in the 3 shades like I mentioned. So the specific names for them are the black is Khol, the blue one is like Sapphire, and the brown one is Wood. I did swatch them for you guys. Aren't those pretty? So I do want to use a couple of the shades. What I like about that that black one is it's not like a really stark looking black. Some of them can be like almost too black and it looks kind of harsh on the eyes, but then that's just like a really nice soft kind of black. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to use that one, and I'm going to do the top of my run it along the top of my eye. It has a just so you know, it has like a smudger on the end here. So it has the smudger, but then it comes apart at the end, and it does have like a little sharpener. So I thought that was just a great little idea. If you want to soften up the look, there's the little smudger for you. So we'll see if I need to use that or not. What makes these great for mature eyes is they are supposed to just kind of glide on. So I always do just a little bit of, I don't like to pull too much on my eye when I'm putting eyeliner on, but I'm just going to do it a little bit, but they should be soft enough that I don't really need to tug on my eye that much. And they are just gliding on. They've even taken into account if you are someone that has like a little bit of tremor in your hand. They've taken that into account, that this just kind of glides on, which it did. I'm not going to do any sort of wing or anything. I'm just going to take it that way. And then I'm just going to smudge it out with the smudger. Just kind of diffuse the line. It does give you, allows you time to work with it. There, that's better. That looks nicer. Just soften the line up a bit. These are also water resistant. They're mess proof. They're not supposed to bleed at all, even after you've been sweating. And these are like a gel type of product. And so this one I'm actually going to try without even doing any tugging. Like, see how that is just gliding on. I'm not even doing my usual method with eyeliners. That's great. And I'm just going to take that smudger again and just going to smudge it out here a little bit. And also, what about these products? They're hyperallergenic and pH balanced, so they're just like a great brand. Now I'm going to take the brown shade, and I'm going to do a little bit of tight lining. Very creamy formula. And then we're going to even use the blue. I'm going to use the blue actually in my bottom waterline. I'm just going to take that brown and gently put it just under my lashes. Yeah, like look at how that really diffuses the shade. That's nice. It's just like subtle, right? So this one I'm really excited to use because if I'm not mistaken, I believe the mascaras was one of the products that they actually started with. So this is like their OG kind of product. The actual packaging feels really nice. Like it has a little bit of feel to it. It feels good. So I'm going to go in with the shade brown in the one mascara that they sent me. So it is nice. It has one of those like flexi type of wands. So really nice. Okay, so let's give this a try. I'm really pumped about this one. I always take a little bit off of the ends just so that's sometimes what causes clumping and stuff like that on your lashes. So I just try and make sure I get all of the excess off the wand. This is supposed to help us ladies that have maybe shorter lashes. I don't know about you guys, but yes, that's been happening lately I get those, my lashes just aren't what they used to be. So I always start at the base of my lash and just kind of wiggle its way up. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. That really has given me some lengthening to my lashes. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am super impressed with this mascara. So this is now 2 coats. Look at the lengthening it has given me. There was 0 clumping. Like there is no clumping whatsoever. It did a really nice job on my bottom lashes. I always find, especially when I do my bottom ones, especially these corner ones right here, I sometimes will get like little bits of clumpiness, but this one did not do that. And it went right into like my corners here, and it got all of those little lashes in there as well. It has a really unique type of wand. Like I know I showed you guys that, but it really does get like all of these little bristles right here are like, I don't know, like they go right up to the top. Oh, that is great. But I wanted to show you guys before I did the other side, but look at that. Look at that lengthening. That's awesome. Okay, so now this is with both eyes done. Look at my lashes, you guys. Like this is really, truly amazing. I am basically a mascara snob and I am super impressed with how like my lashes look amazing. This was 2 coats on both eyes. And what I really love about this is it's one of those mascaras that as you use it over time, it's supposed to be very nourishing for your lashes, and it's supposed to make them like longer and thicker as well. Again, one of those products that you're using over time. I am super impressed with this mascara. This is awesome. So the next one we're going to go in with is the PrimeWand. This is the pigment shade. Now this one is supposed to be the sister to the nude shade. So the nude one is the one I put all over my face. So to show you the differences, so this was the nude shade. This one here, that's the one I put on my face. And then this one here is the pigment color, and that one is the one you can use also, again, like the other one is your blush. You can use this as your bronzer, your lip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that makeup brush, and I'm going to I don't want to put it directly onto my face, but because I want it more in a strategic area. So I'm just going to take that onto my makeup brush and then just dab it on. See how it's giving you that nice flush of color. It looks like just like a beautiful blush. You can use this for contouring as well if you want, or you can apply this with your fingers as well. That just looks lovely. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to take a little bit and put it just along my jawline. And I'm also going to just take it into my hairline as well. That ended up being just really, really lovely on my cheeks. Love that. So the next one is the Pearl. Now this is going to be like a highlighter. It's this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first try it with my finger. You can use this on your like your cheekbone. It says you can also like run it under your brow bone for a little bit of highlight there as well. I always run my highlighter down my nose. My Cupid's bow. But this is really creamy. This is beautiful. And I like how it's like a subtle highlighter, but it's just quite lovely. Now what I'm going to do is take that shade Pigment, and I'm going to use that actually on my lips as a little bit of like a lip tint. That's really pretty. And if you wanted to get more exact with it, you could use like a lip brush, but I'm just going to throw it on with my finger. Yes, that's quite pretty. I like that. And then I think what I'll do is I'll take Pearl, and I'm going to put that right in the center. That just kind of lightens the lip up. That's quite pretty. I like that combination. That's nice. I just want to say thank you very much to Prime Prometics for partnering with me on this video. As I mentioned earlier, there's a special discount code for my viewers of 10% off. I will include that link down below in my description box. As well, something else that I forgot to mention earlier was they also have a 100% guarantee on their products. So if you are not satisfied with their products, you just send it back and you are refunded 100% of the purchase price. I think everything looked really lovely. I'm very impressed with how beautiful these products ended up being. Especially, I love that pearl, that glow wand. Like you can probably see my skin is really like glowing, right? Look at that. Like even I can see it in the mirror over here. Wow, that is beautiful. And I forgot to mention, you can also use it like on your collarbone area if you're wearing like a lower cut shirt or whatever. You can put it on your collarbone. I think that looks really pretty when you do that. Something else, so I went and, quickly did my hair and I washed my hands and stuff, but I even used soap on trying to get these eyeliner swatches off, and they're stuck on there. Like they're not coming off. What I will also do in my description box is let you know how easily the mascara comes off. It's supposed to come off very easy, so I will leave that down below if it just came off with my regular like makeup remover. So I'll keep you guys informed of that. And I think out of everything, what I'm super impressed with is the mascara. I love how separated my lashes look. They did not clump, and I'm going to continue to wear it. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, that it's one of those ones that you, as you continue to use it, it does help your lashes with growth and filling them out and stuff. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. And as always, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!